Oh no!
Oh yeah!
You're freaking kidding us right now, Roku? Forcing Dora to steal a truck to crash her house and kill her own Abuela? What kind of sick twisted game are you playing? And another punishment day again? That makes it 10 times now? Okay, we are gonna leave the yelling to Dora's parents and Abuela right now. You're looking at 19 years, buddy. 19 years to think about your sadistic sense of humor. Oh, would you look at that? Visitors.
Well, get ready for reunion with the freaking loudmouths who's gonna be more furious than ever.
Of course the freaking one with the twisted freaking videos Are you freaking kidding us right now? You cannot freaking believe that you did this to Dora by forcing her to steal a truck and crash into our house to kill her Abuela. Wow! Just... Wow. What kind of monster are you?
And on top of that, you got the audacity to force us to give her a 10th punishment day? What kind of sadistic pleasure do you get from this? You're not just hurting her, you're hurting all of us.
There are 11 punishments in your so-called 10th punishment day. 1. You send the squid game to Dora's house to give her genocide. 2. You sawed off her hand with a handsaw. 3. Cole crushed her with a truck while she was falling. 4. You made her go inside a washing machine, turned it on until blood poured out. 5. Ran her over with a motorcycle. 6. You sprayed pepper into her butt. 7. You made her lip talk. 8. You shaved her head until blood came out. 9. You made her eat rocks. 10. Chopped her hand with a chopper. And 11. Had the police execute her. What kind of animal are you? My granddaughter didn't deserve any of this, and yet you endured each one of those punishments with a strength that not even you can comprehend. Your entertainment has left us with nothing but a gaping hole in our hearts.
And now, because of you, we have to revive Dora again by using GoAnimate logic, and she's traumatized. Do you even know what that means? You're going to rot in here for 19 years, and every minute of it will be a reminder of the pain you caused.
So that means you were so grounded for 1, 2, 8, 3, 8, 3, 9, 2, 8, 3, 9, 1, 0, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9, 3, 8,
we watched earlier is a movie about you, Paper Luigi 99, and Harry Strack getting what you deserve. And it's not pretty. And newsflash, it's called Draw a Cocoon, Paper Luigi 99 and Harry Strack gets arrested and getting executed the movie. It's dropping soon, so you 3 child abuse supporting psychos better be ready to face the consequences of your actions when it hits in theaters and on YouTube.